Is your old Windows 11 PC going slow? Well, worry not. In this video, I will guide you with how you can speed up your Windows 11 PC. So, let's get started. So, the very first step is to adjust visual effects. For this, open the Start menu on your PC. Now here search for View, Advanced, System Settings. Now here press Enter to open it. Now this will open System Properties. Now here make sure you are on the Advanced tab. Now under the Performance section, click on Settings. And now this will open Performance Options. Now this will give you various options. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance, and custom. From these options, select Adjust for best performance. Now, once you do this, click on Apply, and then click on OK. Click on OK. Now this will disable all the visual effects and make your PC faster. The very next step is to disable startup apps. So for this, open the Task Manager on your system. To open the Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key together. And this will open Task Manager. Now here, on the left pane, click on Startup Apps. Now this will show you all the startup apps. Disable all the unwanted apps from this list. To do this, right click on the app you want to disable, like this, and then click on Disable. And this will disable it. In a similar way, disable all the unwanted startup apps. The next step is to update your Windows to the latest version. So first of all, open the Settings app on your Windows PC. For this, press Windows plus I key together. Now here, on the left pane of the settings, click on Windows Update. Now here, click on Check for Updates. Now this will check for the latest update. If you see any update available, then download and install it. Next, configure the power plan. For this, press Windows plus I key on your keyboard. Now this will open Windows 11 settings. Now here, on the left pane, click on System. Now here, click on Power and Battery. Now here, click on Power Mode. Now here you will get two options, Plugged in and On Battery. So first of all, click on this drop down menu next to Plug in. And this will give you three options, Best Power Efficiency, Balanced, and Best Performance. From these options, select Best Performance. Now similarly, click on this drop down menu next to On Battery. Now here select Best Performance. And that's it. This will configure the power plan for the best performance. The next step is to clear storage on your PC. So for this, open the Start menu on your PC. Now here, click on the Settings icon to open the Settings app. Here, on the left pane, click on System. Now here scroll down and click on Storage. Now this will break up the complete storage usage of your PC. For example, the installed apps is taking around 36.5 GB of the storage. And temporary files is taking around 27.8 GB of the storage. Now here, click on Temporary Files. And now here, select all the files. For example, Delivery Optimization files, Windows Upgrade Log files, Windows Update Cleanup, Previous Windows Installation, etc. Now once you do this, click on Remove Files. And then click on Continue. Now wait until the process is completed. Now, as you can see here, the files are cleared. After this, click on Storage. Now in a similar way, clear the files from the other categories as well. Next step, clear temporary files using Run dialog box. So first of all, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now this will open Run dialog box. Now here type %temp % and press Enter. Now this will open Temporary Files folder. Now here, delete all the files. For this, press Ctrl plus A to select all the files. Now press Shift plus Delete to delete them. Press Enter. And this will delete all the files. Now close the window. Next, you can also disable unwanted Windows service to speed up your PC. So for this, click on the Start icon on the taskbar. Now here search for Services and press Enter to launch it. Now this will open Services window. Now here, look for the unwanted services. For example, we have Print Spooler. So now as you can see here, this service is running. So you have to disable it. For this, right click on it. And now click on Properties. Now here, Next to startup type, select manual and then click on stop. Now once done, click on apply and then click on OK. Now in a similar way, disable all the unwanted services. Now once you disable all the unwanted services, restart your system. So these are some of the methods to speed up Windows 11 PC. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel for more tech updates. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.